Alright guys, so today is another weekend of coronavirus, but at least we got the roll pan in, so we're going to be installing on the F100. That's what we're going to be putting on the Lightning. As you can see, the original bumper's all dented and rusted out, so I mean I would like to keep that one or fix it up, but for the amount that it cost me to fix that one, I just bought a new roll pan. This is a Marquee roll pan, steel pan, and yeah, it should look nicer than that. So first I'm just gonna take off the bumper, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's literally just two right there and two on the other side, and the whole bracket comes off. So that should be pretty easy. And then I'm gonna have to do something about the lights, because this one doesn't come with lights, so, or anywhere to put lights, so I'm gonna have to figure out something for that. I took off the 4 bolts, and I think that's it. I have it standing up on jack stands because I didn't want it to fall on me. But yeah, I think that's it. I think I should just be able to take it off. That's it. There you go. Bumper delete. Now we just gotta get that roll pan on. What do you think? It's gonna look nice? Alright guys, so that's how it's gonna look, and basically I figured that as long as the bottom body line matches up on both sides, it leaves like a ½ inch or like 5/8 from the tailgate to the lip of the bumper, and that allows it to open and close fine. And then obviously the body lines are going to match, so it's going to be fine. And yeah, now I just got to take off the tailgate and figure what screws I'm going to put in, because I'm not going to put all of them in. I'm going to let the body shop take care of the exact place it's going to sit. But yeah, this is just temporary. So yeah, now I have to take off the tailgate. The tailgate is just take off the hangers and then it folds out, or it comes out, I mean. So yeah.
And I do not like it.
You don't like it?
No, it's flat.
That's how it's supposed to be. Once I paint it, it's gonna look nice.
My dad is like fat. And yours
Yeah,
is
that's the old school. This is new school. This is like, well, not new school, but like, this is aftermarket. Beep, don't touch that.
Not true.
You don't like it?
No.
You like the bumper? Oh, too bad, because I already paid for this one.
I'm taking it off.
No, it's gonna look nice once I paint it. Trust me. I'll show you a picture of how it's gonna look.
Wait, who painted that? Who did that?
It's another truck. It's the same roll pan, but painted. Looks cool, no?
Yeah, but
I'm gonna paint the truck, so it's gonna match.
I got a question.
What?
Wait, what? You just said you're gonna paint the truck?
Yeah, I'm gonna paint the truck. What's your question?
The color.
Black. It's gonna look nice though. Trust me. Trust me.
But when are you gonna put like the big wheels on it?
Yeah, a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put 20s on it.
No, I want like my Dio Ivan that he has like the green truck and with the big wheels.
26s?
Yeah.
That's too much.
No, más.
That's too much.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
Notice.
Alright, so right now I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put it, the spacing and all that, and make sure it opens, and then I'll be done.
A ver, coronavirus.
Puro COVID-19 que andamos instalando para la Chevy Silverado.
Ese güey.
Una entrevista aquí para el señor que se fue a bañar. No, no es cualquier chingadera, ¿Un más negro que?
¡Ay!
Ay, que se güey.
Bro.
Ay, quedó, ya quedó, vale.
A ver, güey, préstamelo. Para pintarlo, ni modo pintarlo ahí, güey.
Lo hubieras pintado quitado.
No, just testing.
Así nomás a lo güey. Sí. No me los quería vender. Tuve casi un año diciéndole.
¿Son estos tallas, güey?
¿Eh?
Son
Ese güey, a ver, ven. Ese güey. Pinche. No, Sergio, ya, güey, nada más era un poquito, güey. No voy a ir a, ¿sabes? Bueno, queda bien chingón.
A ver.
Ah, no mames.
Ay.
Ese güey. Ya me vas alcanzando, mira, güey. Marquitos Toys.
Ese,
Ese güey. Se pasó de verga.
Sacando el pitín y...
Ese güey.
No mames.
Ya viene bien agüitado, no encuentro. Sí, ahí trae una atrás.
¿Sí?
¿Se sentó en ella o qué? No mames, pinche lente. No, mira, güey.
Está el guango,
A ver, mi turno, Juan Cora.
Se pelea. Esa pinta está mal.
Ahí está.
Ya pintamos toda la puta cerca. Ahí quedamos.
Puta verga.
¿Esta criatura de dónde salió?
Espérate.
Ponle el Animal Planet.
Espérate, güey. Ey, güey. Vete allá. No mames, güey. Mejor dame coras.
Puro troqueando acá.
So that's how it looks with the roll pan on. Obviously it's gonna look better when it's all paint matched and repainted, but this is the gap I'm talking about right here. I don't know if, because right here it's tight because I straighten it out, but the body shop's gonna take care of that. But on this side you can see there's a gap. It's not a big gap, but it's there. And I don't know if I should take this out. I don't know if you guys have seen how the flush ones mount, but basically it's just flush right here. So yeah, I'm gonna decide on how I paint it, but it's gonna be painted within the next couple of weeks. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. I have the rear axle flip kit from DJM, but I'm not gonna be putting it on until after I paint it because the painters asked me to leave it like that because it's easier to paint, obviously. So así la vamos a dejar until after the paint shop. Make sure you guys let me know what you guys think about this, and make sure you guys subscribe and post whenever I do something else to this yonquecito.
A ver, aquí troqueando, repping on the gas.
¿Qué dice aquí?
Es una Cheyenne doblada.
A la verga.
No, para que vayan y digan.
Ay, güey, se parece a esta.
Ese güey.
Oh, fuck, man.